What's up? It's the 1B, and we're going to be doing some video editing. I actually have the wrong thing open right now. We're going to be video editing in Premiere Pro. Sorry about that. Let's go to New Project. Let's go to Browse. Right now we're in Kentucky Route 0, but we want to put the Part 1 in here, or Part 2. So we're going to say Kentucky Route 0 Part 2. Take that, select that folder. We'll call this Kentucky Route 0 Part 2. Click OK. This is a problem that I always have. This Kentucky route, this project is always up there. I can't figure out how to get it somewhere else. It always loads up here, even when I save the workspace. I don't know why, but I think it's because it's part of these groups for some reason. I'm still looking into it. I can't find anything on it just yet. But anyway, let's go ahead and let me adjust here. Very nice. So we're going to go ahead and get Kentucky Route 0 Part 2. Drag that into the project area. Now the reason I want these separated is because you pull from the media browser and then you pull it into the project. And if it's in the same tab group, like the same panel, that means I have to drag it up to the panel, wait for the panel to be exposed. Let me show you. So we'll go here, and then I need to load also my YouTube end screen right here. So then I have to hold it up here on the project, and then I have to bring it in here, which is just time wasted. And then dragging this down every time is time wasted. Like, those are just clicks, wasted clicks. Let's go ahead and delete these tracks. You right click in those spaces. Then you want to delete video tracks. Make sure it says all empty. I'm going to select that, go to Effect Controls. I always turn up the audio to 15 has always been a good portion for me, or a good volume, level, whatever. And the reason I do that is because I'm trying to give you guys as much control as possible when it comes to audio. So if I make it too loud, you can turn it down. If I make it too quiet, there's no way for you to turn it up. So, yes, we want to look how much hair I have there. Somewhere's in here. I got a cold a little bit, so. I think right here is a good spot. So that hotkey is Control K, and then you will Shift Delete, and that'll pull everything forward. Let's go ahead and jump to the end. Let's actually see. It looks like there might. Yes, I was gonna say there's a BRB. Right about here. I need to get some tissue. So before I continue with this, let me go do it. Wait, what are you doing? Oh. Good night. Love you. Kids just barging in like crazy. Okay, so I kind of wanted to break it down right there, but there is a BRB here. Maybe this is just the natural spot to split, but dang. That makes this end portion so much longer. Let's clip it and see if I can find another spot. right here is good because I'm going to go to that BR screen. BRB, see? Oh, no, no, no. We don't want to cut out any part of the gameplay. Right. I need to get some tissue. So before I continue with this, let me go do that. I'll be right back. Yeah, she's in here. Alright, Shannon. Random access self-storage. Yeah, she's in here. Alright, Shannon. Alright. Shannon. Alright, Shannon. Random access self-storage area. Jeez. So we're at 41 minutes here. I think the cut is here, 45 minutes. Well, can we go into the museum? Let's check out the end of this. Where's Lake Cumberland at? I have to wait. Can I save from here? I gotta go pick up my niece and nephew, so I guess this is gonna have to wait. Can I save? Where's this Lake Cumberland at? I gotta go pick up my niece and nephew, so I guess this is gonna have to wait. Can I save from here? I guess this is gonna have to wait. Can I save from here? Alright. Alright, now we have this second part, which is about 45 minutes. Let's drag that out. And what we're going to do is we're going to bring in the YouTube end screen. We're going to drop that in here. We're going to bring this forward. We're going to click on that. We're going to increase its volume. Just like that. We're going to click it. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. We're going to go ahead and scale to frame. Let's undo that. Let's undo the whatever I just did there. Let's go ahead and scale to frame now. Control C. Go to the end. Control V. Drag that to that. Everything should be good now. Only thing we need to check is make sure there's no gap. Perfect, no gap. Come to the end here. Drag it to here. Gap, no gap. Perfect. Now we can Control S. We'll go to the very beginning. Right, very beginning. We'll hit that I for in. Go to the very end. To here. Hit that O. Take away that empty frame at the end. I don't know why it does that. Then we're going to hit Control S. It's going to save. Then we're going to hit Control M. And then we're going to change the name here. We want to be in here. We're going to call this Episode 2. Episode 2. And I'm just going to go ahead and Control C this part. We will save. We will queue that. It's going to bring up Adobe Media Encoder. Eventually. There we are. Now we have it in here ready to go. But first we want to jump over here so that we can do the other one. So we're going to have basically 2 episodes out of 1 stream. There we go. We're good on that one. Oh wait, no we weren't. Dang it. Okay. We gotta do the in on this part of the sequence. In. And go to the end. And then file. Save. Dang it, I should use the hotkey. Control M for export settings. This is where we can select this and Control V, the episode 2. Now it's episode 3. And we save. And we queue. It's going to bring it in here. I'm running out of space, like significantly quick. I'm at 262 gigs. I'm going to have to probably do some deleting. Basically every video I creates 2 new videos. So not every video, but like this playthrough has 7 videos, 7 streams to edit. That's going to create 7 video editing videos plus 1 thumbnail video for all of them. I'll do 1 video for making the thumbnails. But for all these ones up here, they all need an individual thumbnail and they all need an individual video editing session. So every one of these, this one will create 2, this one creates 2, and it just keeps compounding. So I think some of these are so far deep into the well of content that I'm just going to have to edit them without creating a new creative process behind them, because they are creative process like several times deep. So I think that's what's going to have to happen. But for now, let's go ahead and jump back over here. And we have both of these ready to go, and I'm going to hit this button and it's going to start the process, and that's going to take probably 30 minutes or so. So while I'm doing that, hopefully you go and watch some of my other videos, and I will talk to everybody later. Peace. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and if you did, please click the circle in the middle to subscribe. The rectangle on your left is another video. The rectangle on your right is a playlist of other videos that you may enjoy. Thanks again. Peace.